Today, we're doing a surprise egg show. But it's not a regular surprise egg show. It's a Tsum Tsum surprise egg show! I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but I hope this makes up for it. I have another one coming next week, alright? Good. Alright, we have 3 eggs. A green egg, a pink egg, and a blue egg. Alright, Kendall, which one do you want to do first?
A pink egg.
A pink egg?
Daisy Duck!
It's Daisy Duck! Here, let's show the camera! Look at her little bow. Oh my gosh, she's so cute!
We don't have bows on our heads.
Yeah, we don't have birds on our head, right, Kendall?
No.
Which one do you want to do next, the green or the blue? Apparently the green. Snow White!
Snow White!
Snow White! Snow White! Oh, I love her so much! Look! Alright. The blue egg's last.
I'm going to open the blue egg. Tiger!
Tiger! Look, it's Tiger! Yay! Surprise egg, Tsum Tsum! Yay! My friend Kendall here, her YouTube studio is KMK Studios. Please subscribe to her and to me, of course. And we'll see you next time, Ding Dings. Say bye!
Bye, Ding Ding!
Bye, Ding Ding!